how to make money from YouTube. Now, YouTube is growing, and especially with the growth of mobile phones. Everybody watches videos on their mobile phone while they're traveling, while they're home. So YouTube is a great way to make money from your talent. Now, there are a few ways you can make money from YouTube. Number one is AdSense. So YouTube has their internal monetization program, and once that enables, for every 1,000 visits, you make about $1 to $3 depending on what kind of niche you are in. Sponsored videos are a great way to make money from the YouTube, and if you have a good following, you can make $300 to $3,000, $5,000 per video. FameBeat is a very good network for that. They are based out of US. I've used it and it works. The third one is affiliate marketing. Learn about affiliate marketing. Basically, whenever you talk about a product, be it on Amazon or be it on any other website, as long as it's being sold online, chances are they will have an affiliate program. You can sign up for that and start making money. With that, AdSense, sponsored post, and affiliate marketing. Bye-bye.